Hey future millionaires! Today's video is for the girls. I don't know if you guys know this, but being a girl in the online space, you have a huge advantage, which you're gonna learn in this video today. I put together this list of online business ideas you can start this year. And most of these online business models, you can start with $0. You can start these from your phone, and you can do them from anywhere in the world. So there's no excuses as to why you can't start. If you're new here, my name is Isabella. I became a self-made millionaire within 2 years thanks to the power of online business and social media. I have a passion for documenting my journey and not only talking about the things that I do, but actually providing 100% free courses for them on my YouTube channel. Make sure you watch all the way to the end of this video so you're gonna get the full range of ideas. And you're not only gonna learn how to start, but how to be successful as well. Number one business idea for the girls today is digital products. There are so many different types of digital products that you can start selling. Ebooks, PDF guides, printables, templates, planners, recipes, courses, tutorial and guides, consulting, games, and so much more. With digital products, you are not just creating digital products, but you are producing digital assets that can generate passive income for you over a long span of time. With the correct funnels and marketing in place, you have the power to scale digital products to earning over 6 figures in less than a year. One of my biggest hacks for digital products is there are literally AI systems out here that can write your full digital product for you, giving you an entire marketing plan, and help you jump on the trends before anybody else is really gonna start on them. It has never been easier to create and succeed with digital products thanks to platforms like Trend Assist AI. You can literally brainstorm, get a whole business plan in minutes, get ebooks written for you, come up with a title for your digital products. And with the power of Trend Assist AI and using free Canva templates, you can create a digital product literally in less than 10 minutes. This online business model is beginner friendly, very easy to get started, little to no money needed to start. You have high profit margins because you are keeping 100% of those sales. And the possibilities with digital products are really endless. As women, there's so many different niche types that we can get into with digital products, and I definitely recommend picking one in order to succeed with this online business model. Some of the most popular ones are personal development, self-care, health and wellness, entrepreneurship, parenting and family, like being a mom, beauty and fashion, personal finance, relationship and communications, hobbies and creativity, travel and adventure, career and work-life balance, and the list goes on. You already know I created an entire free course all about digital products for you guys on my YouTube channel. So if you haven't already watched that free course, definitely dive in now so you can literally start a digital products business today. Online business idea number 2 is going to be niche stores. As women, there are so many things that you know that girls specifically shop online for. A lot of guys don't know exactly what women want, but we know what we want. So it's so much easier for us to succeed with niche stores because of this. Starting a niche store is one of the easiest ways to jump into online business. These are online stores where you go and find products at a discounted price, and then you're gonna resell those products at a higher price to make the profit. And you're gonna do this without touching any of the products yourself. There are tools out here that can build your online store in less than 5 minutes and help you find these discounted products that you can sell. And they also connect you straight to the supplier, so they're gonna ship those products straight to the buyer and you keep the profits when you make a sale. So you don't have to worry about managing any inventory yourself or buying any physical inventory up front. And again, with these AI tools that are out here, it has never been easier to get started. When you start a new business, the goal should always be to start at low risk, to have time freedom and location freedom. So you can do whatever you want when you want. And all the business models that I'm gonna be talking about in this video do definitely cover that, but especially this one because you can start with such little cost and have huge upside potential. Even me, when I first started making money online when I was just 16 years old, this was actually the business model that I started with. And this really is what helped me open the doors for me to expanding my online business over a long span of time. You get these products for cheap, set up a simple e-commerce store using AI, and yes, it's free, and you can get started with this literally in less than a day. Tools like this, like I said, have never existed before. You used to have to do all of this from scratch. If you want to get started with this, I put the link down in my description box below for this AI store builder. So you can have your own online store built for you with AI for free. Click that link and within minutes, this free tool automatically creates a fully functioning custom e-commerce store for you using just AI. People were really out here charging thousands of dollars for this, but I got you. It's gonna take you less than 10 minutes to complete the system and it walks you through the steps step by step. All you have to do is pick a niche, pick some of the banners you like, Go through the rest of this simple step-by-step process and you're gonna get your online store ready to go. Like, look how good these stores look. So first step, done. And you can also see that there's already winning products added to these stores for you. If you want to research more products beyond the winning products that you already have in these stores, you can jump over to AutoDS in the step-by-step process right here. You're going to notice here in this step-by-step system, after you get your online store done for you, it's going to give you the option to get AutoDS. So this is going to connect you to thousands of suppliers that you can start selling products from. And not only do you grab your products from this platform, but this platform also fully automates your online store for you. And the products that you see here are imported through fast shipment, trusted suppliers. You're able to use this platform AutoDS to find trending products that are updated daily that you can also add to your own online store. You can see trending Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and TikTok ads, and even do custom branded products, all automated through this all-in-one platform. You guys started these niche stores after watching my YouTube channel and trying things yourself, and you guys have been seeing crazy results. I'm so proud of you guys. And if they could do it, why can't you? Also, I just want to say I love the fact that all of these testimonies right here are all from women too. I'm telling you guys, this is so women dominated and a lot of people don't actually realize this. Of course, I got you guys. I made an entire full free course on this, so you can actually get started with doing this today. I'll link that free course down in my description box below for you guys. And it is super detailed. So not only do I in thorough depth show you how to get started, but I also show you how you can start getting sales. I include an entire marketing section in that video, like I always do with all my free courses. So if you're interested in starting this business model, go watch that free course and I got you. Online business idea number 3 is YouTube automation. You probably don't even know how many YouTube channels are actually out here making thousands of dollars per month without even showing their face. There are YouTube channels out here generating millions of views with thousands of followers just by creating simple videos about different topics. Motivational videos, educational videos, travel, technology, just to name a few of these. And most of these videos are just random stock footage clips with a voiceover behind them and clips. Take a look at this faceless YouTube channel, Top 5, which according to Social Blade is making $1,000 and more every single day. And nearly $500,000 per year. There are so many faceless channels doing the exact same thing. And if they are doing it, why can't you? I want you girls to realize that there are so many things that you are probably already doing in your everyday life, which you can start doing for YouTube. And you can also be doing these things faceless. If you have like someone in your family, like maybe your grandma, your mom that like cooks really awesome traditional foods, why have you not started a YouTube channel for them? You don't even have to really show their face. You can show their hands. You can actually take the videos yourself. So don't always think that YouTube automation means like, oh, I have to do this whole stock footage clip thing. No, I actually encourage the opposite. You can actually make your own original content and be faceless. If you actually start paying attention to how many channels are out here that are completely faceless and getting millions of views, not just on YouTube, but on other content as well, on other social media platforms, you would actually be shocked. It's just something that you don't usually think of. As a woman, we have our own type of knowledge that is different from men. So bring that to the table, bring that to YouTube. And there's so many different things you can do to get ideas. You already know I love to productive scroll, which is just basically typing up with a bunch of different keywords on YouTube and seeing what pops up. A lot of times people think things are oversaturated, and I promise you they are not. I used to think the same thing when I started, and now I'm the top creators in every single niche with accounts that I own. So this couldn't be more far from the truth. Nobody can do it like you can do it. Here's another hack that you can do to get tons of ideas, and I use this platform almost every single day, so highly recommend you have this. If you guys go to trendassist.ai, they are a platform that is specialized in YouTube and giving you guys trending information and brainstorming knowledge that is trending specifically for YouTube automation. So if you haven't already, definitely make sure you guys have Trend Assist AI. Not only, like I said, does it help you brainstorm, it'll help you come up with winning YouTube titles, winning YouTube topics, it'll help you write your scripts for you, and so many more benefits. So if you haven't already, definitely check it out. I'll put that down in my description box down below. Again, I've been using it like every single day for just like a bunch of different things, not just for YouTube, but for lots of other online business needs and other social media platforms. So this is just another hack of how AI can literally be your coworker nowadays. And I save thousands of dollars using platforms like this. I love YouTube automation because you're literally able to make passive income every single day, and there's so many other income streams that can come with it. So it's just such a good way to invest your time and just to contribute into something that can really make you a lot of money long term. You can start this online business with $0. It's also very easy to get started. And you already know I just created a brand new free course for this on my YouTube channel. So if you are interested in learning more about this online business model of YouTube automation, I got you. I'll link that free course down in my description box below. Number 4 online business idea is going to be content creators. This is kind of spin-off of YouTube automation. You guys, this is how you can truly monetize your life. I know it sounds so cliche. A lot of people hear like, oh, I know everyone's saying to be a content creator, but listen, hear me out, okay? Like, I know a lot of you guys, maybe you've tried and stuff's not working out. Every single time that you get on social media, there is a chance to learn something new. And if you haven't already like dove into content creation or just tried to learn it a little bit, or maybe you're practicing, maybe you haven't seen results just yet, but you're getting into it, I promise you the best skill that I have ever learned out of everything that I do to make money online, it all boils down to my social media skills. Pick a niche, pick a topic that you love, like cooking, a social media account for your pet, something that makes you happy in your life right now, and bring it to the digital world. You can start with $0 and you have nothing to lose. Start an Instagram, a TikTok account. Pick one thing and start accounts on all platforms for this. Start an Instagram, a TikTok, a Facebook page, of course, a YouTube channel, and you will eventually be shocked as to how many ways there are to monetize these accounts. Even me, I didn't realize that you could make 6 figures a year from Facebook. No one told me that when I started. I had no idea of that. I found that out and we made $300,000 in 1 year from just Facebook. And most of the videos I didn't even show my face in. You create one piece of content and you distribute it across all these social media platforms at once. The hardest part is getting started and staying consistent in this. Because most people just want to give up if they don't see results right away. But that's what's going to set you apart from the others. Even me, I didn't see results at first. Even me, I started from 0 followers across all my accounts. I now have over 15 million followers across all the accounts I own. I learned to use social media as a funnel and I teach it heavy on my YouTube channel for you guys. But one of the best things you can do for yourself this year, 100%, is start content creation. Even if you try something and it doesn't go well, you will learn so many skills and then you'll carry it to the next thing. So never a failure, always a lesson. Because me, I tried, I failed, I tried, I failed, I tried, I failed until I found what worked for me. And then from there on, I was able to just scale it up. And even to this day, I cannot believe I am in the position where I am now because of content creation. Don't just have a random account and just try to go viral. Social media is not what it was 10 years ago. Look at it as a business because it truly is. And it's just a skill that I believe anybody can learn. Number 5, which is going to be social media manager. A lot of people want to learn content creation to be a content creator. You can also learn content creation to be a social media manager for somebody else. The more time you invest into mastering social media, experimenting with content, and getting better every time you do it, the more you can then offer these services to other people. I personally know girls that are making over $10,000 a month just from this business model. And they're just creating content for other people using other people's footage. So they're also doing this completely faceless. Social media is only going to grow over the next 10 years. And this is valued at a $250 billion market. If you're one of those people where you're like, well, I don't like social media, you guys, okay, like, it's not about what you like. I promise you, this is such a good, like, it can be such a positive environment. Some people don't like social media because, like, maybe there's a lot of, like, toxic stuff every time they check it. Get your algorithms right. Stop interacting with stupid memes. Start interacting with things that motivate and inspire you. And this alone will help you so much to just like every time you go on social media, you see it as like a positive, productive place. And then again, you're going to keep learning. You can follow creators that teach content creation specifically. You can watch YouTube videos and then you can practice yourself and get really good at it. And then, like I said, offer the service to others. Because this business is growing so much, businesses that are physical businesses need to use social media or else they're going to just die off. So they're looking for people like you because they don't have time to, they're running their physical business. They need people like you to help them manage their social media presence. Here's the best way to get into this. I first want you to start with personal projects. Manage your personal social media profiles or create a fake project like a makeup brand that you like to practice content creation, scheduling, and strategy development. You can also do some internships or freelance for other people at a really low price. You can slide into their DMs, write some emails up to try to get some free jobs, just to let them know that you are wanting to either A, help out an existing social media manager, or B, you are wanting someone to practice with. Of course, creating a portfolio you can do completely with Canva. So I want you to go onto Canva and you can document your work and results. A portfolio is very, very important because it shows your skills that you've learned, and you'll be able to send this to people and brands with your prices included. And if you start as a content creator, you would be shocked as to how many people actually reach out to you if you brand yourself as a social media manager. And whatever you learn, you digest it, you practice it, and then you can teach it to others and share what you are learning. Our last and final business model is going to be UGC. What if I told you that brands want to pay you to create content for them? The best part is followers actually don't matter for this. As a UGC creator, you can create content like photos, videos, reviews, etc. that showcase products or services in an authentic, user-centric way. Brands often use UGC to build trust with potential customers. And again, there's so many more products out here for women in this than men. So this is another women-dominated field online. Brands love UGC content creators because it gives them more like authentic feel than them paying tens of thousands of dollars to a big influencer. They can pay you $300 to $500 for a set of clips that they can then use for their advertising, which comes off a lot more authentic than just paying a big influencer. And it's much more budget friendly for them too. To be successful in this business model, I want you to pick 1 to 2 niche types. I don't want you to just be trying to do all the niche types. Choosing a niche allows you to target specific types of brands and helps you to develop content that resonates with certain audiences. And you know my style, I like to just hustle and get brands to reach out to me instead of me trying to just take my work to brands and like slide into their DMs. Because again, I feel like if brands come to you, and I not just feel like, I know this, when brands come to you, you can then use that as leverage and make more money because they're coming to you instead of you coming to them. So you can ask for a lot more money with this way. And it's just a win-win because you're literally going to be building up your social media presence as you're doing this. Start by just posting content that features products or services in your everyday life, like product reviews, unboxing videos, tutorials, and how-to videos, lifestyle content, and before and afters. This is still a solid business model that I see beginners succeeding in, and I definitely think this is a great side hustle. And a lot of girls have turned this into a full-time business and have gone on to do even more things within the social media world. So you guys already know I'm always vouching for just using the power of social media. We're still early to the game. You're not late. You're literally early. It's only going to grow from here. So I hope this video gave you tons of ideas for ways to make money online as a woman this year. I used to think it was impossible to actually succeed with making money online until I did it. And now that's why I love to just contribute back into the educational space of YouTube. That's why I love to share these ideas with you guys, because if I could just inspire a couple of people every day to get into this and make some extra money on the side and to help their financial situation, that makes me feel so fulfilled. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram at BaddieNBiz, BaddieNBiz for more business inspiration and updates. And of course, if you haven't already, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's all I ask in exchange for the free education that I post on my YouTube channel. And again, for all the online business models that you saw in this video, I do have free courses for them on my YouTube channel, so I will link those free courses down below for you guys. Wishing you guys all the best with your online business ventures, and I will see you guys in my next free course. Bye, everyone.